Hello everybody, Answer Batman 55 here. I already missed my intro. And I got another NASCAR diecast review. Actually, I have 4. Well, I got 3 upcoming, 1 that you're watching right now. Because I just ordered, well actually last week, on eBay from Lesher's diecast. I just ordered on eBay, free shipping. But for some reason, they did not ship. That's what Lester's diecast said. So he just shipped them on Friday, and I got them today. Wait, he shipped them Thursday, so I ended up getting them today, which is Saturday. Very fast shipping. So let's go on, and then we're going to start in number order. Starting off with Carl Edwards. I just bought 4 different cars, drivers and cars that I don't have. These are all 2016 cars. So we're gonna start off with Carl Edwards. I took them out of the box to save a lot of time, because if you guys watch the old eBay unboxings, this is what they're called. I don't know if I'm gonna call this eBay unboxing, but you guys will see. So we got Carl Edwards' name, Joe Gibbs, 25 years, ages 4 and up. Warning, choking hazard. There's NASCAR stamp or whatever. Action Racing Collectibles. The other side is just Action Racing Collectibles Gold Series 4 and up. Action Racing Collectibles, still the choice of champions. Lionel, RCCA, and a number. So if we look inside, we get a barcode. I'm trying to, and in here is basically what it is. So it focuses, I have these cars in the back, so it's hard to see. So Carl Edwards, number 19, 2016 Camry, limited edition, 1/64 scale car. So now I'm gonna go stick this, if it will work. And I don't know why. I'm gonna go stick this above Elliot, which I also got from Les Hurst. So there's the it on a big wall. And also, a long time ago, I planned out where the car I just made the holes for the cars. So let's see if you guys could predict them. You guys might cheat, but and just to let you guys know, that is the hole for Edwards, because you see 18, 20. But let's get enough of this boring stuff and let's get to the review. So here is the beautiful Toyota. So if it will focus. Why? And I'm having problems. Toyota Camry, you got Toyota Camry 19, Joe Gibbs. Let's see if we can get it to be clear. Okay, looks like we cannot. You guys should know. Subway with the awesome design. You got Edwards. Edwards, the two Toyota logos. We got the Contingencies, Mobile 1, Lincoln, 3M Cannon, NASCAR Sprint Cup Series, Flowmaster. I can't see what this other one says. I don't know what it looks like. The Durlast brakes, however you say it. 19 Subway. We got Stanley and Eris. I think I'm gonna get this Eris car next time I order. Carl Edwards, Toyota Subway. Is that J5? I don't know what that is. Sport Clips, Mac Tools, Lincoln, Freightliner. Can't tell the other ones. And here comes my cat. Don't mess up, buddy. Okay, back to this. And I really like the colors of the green and all these marks, and then it goes to white. And so we got Toyota, Camry, XSE, Subway, Toyota, 19. Okay, sorry, it's Subway, Subway in, and this side is exactly the same. Subway, let me just make sure. There's the paint scheme. Yeah, it looks like it's just exactly the same. So it's a very cool car. Let me zoom out so you guys can see. Really like the Toyota Camrys, like the fronts. Like the light green that just goes into the white. This would be my second Toyota, or my third, whatever you want to call it, because the other Toyota, I did get another Toyota, if you guys want to predict that, or if you guys want to, that might help you if you guys figure out the spacing. So this could be the second, third, whatever you want to call it. I think this would technically be my third Toyota because I did choose the other one first. So let's go and just finish up with this review to go and record the other ones. So hope you guys enjoyed this review. Very nice car. If you guys do want to pick it up, then do that. I really like the colors, and it looks way better in person than in camera. So hope you guys enjoyed this review. This is Corey Hansen of Batman 55, signing out.